up, you guys? It's August 22nd, 8 o'clock, and I just wanted to film how this is the most beautiful sky sunset I've ever seen. The sun is obviously below the horizon. And look at that. I mean, we've got some crazy red skies going tonight. Electrical storm. Half the sky's blue, half the sky's red, isn't it? Look at that. Half the sky's blue, and half the sky's red. Look at all this. I mean, this is a huge electrical storm. I'm telling you, man, I think there's a planet behind all this. This is some serious agitation going on. Look at that. You see that, baby? I'm getting a little bit crazy going out here in the middle of the field. But I wanted to capture, look at that, where the sun went down. It's about 7:49 actually. So the sun's right at the horizon. I mean, this is the brightest red I've ever seen, but it's kind of, this camera just doesn't do it justice. And right here you'll see is the dividing line. It's like half the sky from this side over is red and the other side's blue towards the east. Just a beautiful, beautiful sunset. Totally cool energy, man. I have faith I won't get struck. This most brilliant red, even though it looks yellow, it's just the most brilliant red I've ever seen. I mean, all of us here thinking, it looks medieval. Really, really cool. Lots of electricity in this cloud. Really cool too. I mean, it dropped at least 25 to 30 degrees. Now, I'm serious. Today was a seriously hot day, like 100 degrees. And in the last hour, it's dropped down to, I think my thermometer said 72. Look at that, that's the most brilliant red. It looks yellow, but it's bright red. What you're seeing is yellow, is really bright red. And the sun already went down, and when I was looking, this looks like a totally, like it's a second light source, but I don't see an object up there. All this lightning is pretty much up in the air. I haven't really seen too much on the ground, like air to ground strikes, so I'll stick it out and film for another minute too here. Get some cool footage. I mean, that's just so brilliant, you guys. A red dawn, this is a red dusk. I mean, that is the most bright red I have ever seen the sky get. Like I said, the dividing point is like right here, so I think there's definitely a red, something in our atmosphere that's red dust clouds that is kicking this up. Really cool, man. We're getting sky lightning just streaking across the whole sky. It's mainly up in the north. I mean, it's so medieval looking. I wish you guys could see this in person. Unbelievable. No, I don't have any proof of a second object. There is a second light source coming from right here, but it's all about the beauty in this video. I'll stick it out till 7 minutes. Hopefully we get another couple good strikes for the camera. Without striking the camera operator. If so, it'd be a heck of a show, wouldn't it? Boom. I'm telling you guys, we're gonna be getting some medieval storms coming up very soon. Like probably the whole country will have the same kind of storm. And this is unbelievable. I'm just shocked at how red the sky is. I mean, this is the most red I've ever seen the sky. I've said that twice in the last week on my videos. It's starting to rain, so I'm gonna have to walk backwards, headed in. Hopefully we get a couple more lightning strikes. Yeah, I can hear the rain coming. It's up on my mountain right now. Pouring down. Again, check that red out, you guys. Unbelievable. That's the most red I have ever seen my sky. And it's all being drawn that way. This whole storm, it's like this red system just got drawn all the way with the sun. Look at that. It's the most brilliant red I've ever seen. And you guys, my girlfriend and I tonight are gonna dub a video. We caught a UFO, an actual unidentified flying object that is also bright red, on our North Carolina video, where we're just filming us driving from Mount Mitchell the night where I shot my Mount Mitchell video. We filmed for 30 minutes straight. We put the camera up and we were just filming the drive home because it was a beautiful mountain road at night. And lo and behold, 6 different times this red object comes down, probably about 10 feet above the car, and we didn't notice it till we were reviewing the tape. And sure enough, this thing it's following us the whole time. All right, you guys, the rain's coming. I'm cutting this off. God bless you. Jesus saves. Half the sky is red, half the sky is blue. Whatever this system was, there was something very bright red about it, and it just is gone. It's going with the sun. It's moving west. As you can see, this is all blue. Over there is all red. Unbelievable. It's beautiful, but unbelievable. Come on, one more lightning. All right, you guys, God bless. Jesus saves. Keep your head and eyes to the skies.